Hi there, this is David Hong from IEI Medical Computing. It is my privilege to introduce the smart healthcare solution for our respectful audience. Today we also have a very special guest. Hi Rachel, could you please introduce yourself?
Hello everyone, my name is Rachel and I am the product manager of Mikotek.
Okay, Rachel, could you also make a short briefing of Mikotek for our audience?
Yes, Mikotek has been working on network systems integration for 37 years. We provide network service to the government, hospitals, therefore we have more opportunity to chat with hospital staffs about the inconvenience of work, and we have passion to solve these problems.
That sounds very interesting. Okay, so let's get started. I think with the prevalence of IoT technology, the face of smart hospital is shaping day by day. Various applications are implemented in different kinds of medical scenarios such as outpatient clinic, bedside, operation room, and so on. Rachel, based on your experience, do you think there's any other pain points need to be solved for the current medical frontline?
Yes, advancing technology have made medical staffs more and more efficient at work. However, the equipment may also cause different inconveniences, especially nursing care.
Okay, so today we will mainly focus on the solutions for the nurses.
Nurses are increasingly rely on nursing care. However, cars also cause other problems for them.
Yes, indeed. After reviewing with nurses, we did find some existing pain points. For instance, the messy cables on the backside might affect their daily work, reading fatigue caused by small screen, the inconvenience resulting from heavy nursing stations.
Besides, the maintenance of traditional medical car battery is not only priced but also very hard to manage.
Yes, so there are so many pain points in the current medical frontline. So let's fix them each by each in the following slides. First of all, the screen size of PLCN is up to 24 inches. The front bezel attains IP65 ingress protection level. By the way, the product is also the winner of IF Design Award 2019. In addition, we also just acquired Taiwan Excellence Award for 2020.
Why they need IP65?
Okay, sterilization work is crucial and is part of the regular routine in the hospital. This design assures the medical personnel finish their work more easily without worrying about the detergents will cause damage to the whole systems. Moreover, we also have the built-in RFID readers, makes the identity recognitions more accessible. The hardy cover enables the easy maintenance process for the IT technicians.
I have heard some problems, like nursing cars are so heavy that it can cause back pain to nurses, and it is difficult for IT staffs to maintain and troubleshoot the system.
Yes, this is a very big issue. So I will try to introduce more detail later on today. But first of all, I would like to say the most attractive points of this system would be we enhance the user experience and solve the pain points by optimizing the power supply system. First of all, we replace the traditional medical car battery with lightweight lithium battery pack. Compared to the traditional medical car batteries, not only the purchasing costs but also the maintenance fee are greatly reduced. It is almost only 1/5 to the original price.
Nurses are very focused on their work. There is not much time to check the health of each device. Do you have any ideas to solve these problems?
Sure. We have hot swappable battery, plug and play, error-proof design. All this design makes the whole system more user-friendly. Each system equips up to most 3 batteries and enables the working station keeps running for more than 8 hours. Besides, the charging time from 5% to 95% is less than 3.5 hours. In this way, no more mobile working station will park in the nursing station for charging. In the past, the problem not only caused inconvenience in work, but also decreased the usage rate.
What about the wet issue? I believe the nurses must be very annoyed about the heavy working station.
Yes, this is a very main issue that nurses very care. I think the commonly seen medical car battery is usually over 6 kilograms per piece, while our battery pack is only 560 grams only. This is to say, by adopting our medical panel PC, the end user could decrease up to 5 kilograms in total very easily.
How about the IT staff? I have heard that battery will increase their workload, including contact manufacturers, battery replacement, and so on. What kind of station you can provide?
Okay, we are very considerate, not only to the nurses, but also to the IT technicians. We also offer a battery monitoring app for our customers. This app informs our users of the battery status locally and remotely. This app will send a reminder to the assigned email automatically when the battery is expired. These features greatly alleviate the pressures for managing these IT equipments. In some successful cases, the IT technicians are even more satisfied with our products. With all the mentioned advantages, we are very confident to say that our POCM series is quite ideal for the usage of mobile nursing station. As far as I know, many nurses complain about working too much in their daily job. Rachel, do you have any solutions on this?
Yes, the nurses have to work a lot every day. 70% of the emergency calls from patients are about drip, such as checking the remaining time over drip so that the patient can go out for lunch. Our IV monitoring systems is developed to solve these problems and help nurses work less.
Okay, that is a very useful design. Okay.
Yes, the drip monitoring systems is based on the Internet of Things technology that also called IoT technology. Our solution uses Bluetooth for signal transmission. The Bluetooth receiver transmits information to the server through the wire or wireless network. The information contains the remaining weight of drip, the remaining time, and electricity. All information can be shown on the dashboard, nursing card, and headboard. You can also send a signal electronic McQueen for warning notice.
So that is to say, the smart drip system measures the weight of the saline bag to monitor the status of the drip, and also use the Bluetooth technology to send the outcome to the receiver. So that would be so much receiver would be deployed in the hospital. So I think the management level of the hospital might ask, how much receiver do they need to deploy in their environment or in their hospitals?
One Bluetooth receiver had to be set around every 10 meters.
Okay, that sounds workable. I think the top 3 commonly used devices related to the nurses are digital board, mobile stations, and bedside terminal. The drip monitoring system, I think it is definitely could be able to integrate with this device, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So Rachel, could you specify more detail about the system integration?
Yes, Mikotek provide information such as remaining time, remaining weight, flow rate, electricity, and drip of medicine. All of the information can be shown not only on the dashboard, nursing card, but also headboard. so that the patient can know the remaining time of the drip bag by themselves. As a result, they don't need to press the emergency call and bother the nurses. If there is no help, or the nurse can also tell the patient who called to let him or her know the remaining time for leaving the ward and going for walk or meal. On dashboard, we can show some hospital information by application programming interface, including patient information, drip of medicine, and any information related to Mikotek.
Okay, I recognize that there are some lights on your whole systems. Could you try to tell us what's the different light colors mean?
Yes, green for monitoring and red for alert that have to be changed back. Blue for empty and orange for other abnormal like low batteries. Gray for no connection. Our device uses 4C size batteries. Battery life is about 6 months.
Okay, I think a good product needs to know the user's behavior and try to solve the pain points of the users. I think through countless interviews with the users and testified in the real medical field, this is the reason that it is also why the products from IEI and Mikotek will acquire the resonance from our customers. I believe everyone may have the experience of guarding or caring a patient. We always worry about the drip status, and we are afraid to go to the restroom or leave the ward because then in this we won't know the real time status. Do you have any solutions for this?
With the hospital's permission, the patient can scan the QR code on device to know the remaining time of drip by themselves.
Okay, this is a very good idea, and that would be very helpful to the guardians. Okay, in the next slide, we're trying to give you guys a real-time demonstration of the whole smart drip system. We have already set up the IV system for you. As you can see, I have already held the POC, and it can work as a mobile nursing station, or you can put it in a nursing station to work as a digital headboard. And in my left side, you can see our IO view could work as a digital headboard in the bedside. And Rachel, please introduce the IV system.
Yes. And this is our device, that's Mikotek. And this we can hang on the sewing bag under this device. It could be transmit all the weight of time lifting of this device. And I can use the gateway to transmit the information to the dashboard or the card or the head card.
Okay, so please look at the monitoring system. And we will try to stimulate what if the solid bag is running out. So Rachel, please. Please look at the system. It comes in red, which means that an alert will send to the nursing station to remind the nurse go to check out the nursing status, the IV status. Okay, Rachel, please replace the solid bag again. Let's take a look at the user interface. It will go back and shows in green. Okay, right now it turns in green, which means that the work has been done. So by using these IV systems, it just helps the nurse. Like it can prevent them to go back and forth between the nursing station and the ward, and to help them to work more efficiently. And I think you guys already have know that our system just helps the nurse, but we also mentioned there's another feature. There's a QR code located in the IV sensor. And Rachel, please introduce or integrate.
With the hospital permission, and the patient, they can just use their hand carry their cell phone and scan this QR code, and they can see the IV drip lifting. and how remaining time, and so that they can go out for meal or for lunch.
Yeah. So by using the whole system, it is not only to help the nurse, but also help the guardian to stay in the hospital more comfort and more relaxed. So the above is the live demonstrations of our IV system. The above is the brief intro of our nursing solutions. There are 2 QR codes shown on the screen for you guys to reach us. Please visit our official website and feel free to contact us for further information. We are more than happy to answer any of your questions. Thank you for your listening and see you next time. Bye bye.